Well, hey, welcome back to the Everyday Growth Advisors live stream. I hope you're having a good morning. It is a Friday, 23rd of April, and we are about to embark on this new trading day. It doesn't look very appetizing today. I think yesterday the market got tipped off or a little bit trigger happy on a selling wave on the news that Biden may be introducing a increased capital gains tax. But I think it wasn't a very big increase. I think it was maybe to the tune of a couple of percent, which was raising the capital gains tax to I think 38 or 39%. I want to say something like that. This was what caused the market to sell off yesterday, and then at the same time there was a kind of a big block order that was sent out, a bunch of algos that pretty much just created a cascade of selling. One of the bigger drops that we were seeing for a long time in a 1 hour or 4 hour candle, and then we had a kind of a retracement here. We'll get through the technical update in a little bit here on the SPY, NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. Futures are looking like it's consolidating the same kind of style as the actual S&P 500 right now. So we'll see how that goes. We have had a big run up, so pullback is pretty natural here. If I get on these moving averages, we're kind of bouncing on the 50 EMA, but it is highly possible that we go down and test the 150 EMA before coming back up again. The 150 EMA has been a pretty standard bounce zone, as you can see in the past on big uptrends here, like this one right here. And then ultimately, once we get a bit too high, we go down to test the 200 too, and then we may even consolidate for a while. So starting to look like we may form another down wave here. Sounds like a good time to be hedged if you aren't yet. Might not be a bad time to pick up some VIX options, you know, and maybe buy some long dated puts just in case. You know, I'm not talking about going crazy and taking massive positions. I'm just talking about take some mini positions so that you are protected to the downside, so that your equity positions don't lose full value and drawdown. And then when the market corrects to the downside, you have profits from those that you can use to buy more equity on the dip. Okay, that's all I'm talking about. Okay, let's have a look at the news for today and see where the markets are at with the bullish and bearish sentiment. Stock futures tick up ahead of economic data. We have today market manufacturing PMI coming out in about an hour and 12 minutes. Services PMI, and then new home sales month over month. That will be also important. American Express not beating revenues but beating EPS, and then a bunch of others going to report earnings today as well. Remember guys, next week we have a very big earnings season. So if you look at next week here, a lot of companies are going to be reporting. Let me just go ahead and take this off and this off, and then you will see what I mean. We have Tesla. We have on Monday Tesla. We have a lot of companies. Just too many of them. Big companies reporting next week as well. We'll have Microsoft, Alphabet, Visa, Texas Instruments, UPS, Starbucks, Raytheon, Triple M, AMD. We'll have Pinterest, Enphase Energy, which has been buying up recently, Hasbro. We will have JetBlue Airlines, also been buying up. FireEye, that's another one you should keep your eyes on. iRobot, which was once upon a time a great stock to trade. And what else here? A lot more. We have Apple. We have a whole bunch more there. Apple, Facebook, Qualcomm, Boeing, Shopify, Moody's, the rating agency, Teladoc. Yeah, next week's about to be a big week, guys. I was just telling the team yesterday, you know, don't. I would recommend, if it is possible, honestly, you might want to stay out of the market next week. Take a self-declared week off and just enjoy your time. Weather is looking nice. I'm guessing in the United States of America right now, we should be approaching summer soon, right? I think you guys are in spring right now, and it should be nicely warming up. So definitely want to take time to enjoy the weather and the sights and sounds of, you know, everything around you before things get wonky again. Watch Neo today. It's been having some unusual activity as of yesterday, some big buying. That's one of the things that I'm watching. Let me show you real quick. There you go. We got a big run up yesterday on Neo. Broke out of a technical downtrend. It needs to break above the $42 level for me to start taking this to the upside, actually. But I think it's going to start to consolidate to the upside, and we'll see how that plays out. A lot of Chinese stocks were being bought yesterday. So we'll see how that turns out. But then after that, everything pretty much gave up its gains the moment that Biden announced his kind of plan. We were also looking at BYND to make a run, which is the ticker of the week. But we didn't really get a run. It's been really just sitting on our intrinsic valuation the whole time this week. But yeah, kind of a head and shoulders forming here too, if you look at it. You know, there's a little bit of a head and shoulders on this side. If we break below the neckline here, we'll see further downside. And I think that is what I'm seeing on the indexes as well. There's a possible downside slide today. Tesla is also looking somewhat bearish as it got rejected here for the second time, but this is more of a pennant setup right now than anything, as you can see. So for the time being, this is bullish, but it could be bearish in you know, the near future. As you can see. What else? SPAC surge pumps up junk bond market. Battery metals are hot, but these miners can't get investors. JP Morgan apologizes for a role in the Super Soccer League. Behind Bitcoin's weekend slide. Imploding bets. So Bitcoin is at what now? Let's have a look. 49,000. Damn. Hey guys, you should buy more, I think. Honestly, all jokes aside though, if Bitcoin gets down to like the 20,000s or the 30,000s, I will pick up some of this GBTC, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Only if it comes down here though. I'm not trying to buy it up here where it's so expensive. If it comes down to $20 or $30 level, I'll pick up just a teeny weeny position in here and hold it because it might be fun. But we don't know if we'll ever get there. I'm just punting and speculating. But this was a very big drop. And so we'll see if Bitcoin actually gets any traction to get to that point. Americans are more optimistic about their retirement savings. CEO surprised, but okay. My body waxer told me to buy Bitcoin. Wow. Yeah, man. As you know what they say. The moment your barber or your body waxer tells you to buy something, you know you gotta run. But if it gets down to like the 20s, I'd be happy to take some. You know. At like 20s or 10s, the 10s or 20,000, yeah, I'll pick up like a couple of the Grayscale Bitcoin fund. I might drop like maybe, I don't know, like 1 or 2 grand in there and just hold some over the years. Okay, Baidu and Geely plan a $7.7 billion smart car push. Tesla says China car traveling nearly 120 million km per hour before crash. I don't know if you guys are reading news, but Tesla's getting some flack from the Chinese state for some of its issues with its car in oops, sorry, lost connection there for a second. It's a state thing, which what is happening there? Okay, and then Mitsubishi, Singapore names. Okay. Okay. Not much here. Why don't you guys go ahead and start voting on the ticker of next week? What do you guys feel like we should cover here? I'm thinking maybe we can do a value stock. How many of you guys would like to do a value stock? We did Beyond this week. That was one that we covered. We've been covering quite a few stocks now. Or would you guys like to do a Chinese stock? Like Tencent? Or like... Tencent's a good one. We can also do a possible bank, like Bank of America. We've done JP Morgan before. We've done Goldman Sachs before. And others that we can do is, we've done FSLY, we've done DraftKings. We could also do possibly, we've done CrowdStrike. I think we've done Roku before too. We literally do 4 tickers a month. That's a lot, actually, if you think about it. We've done Palantir already. Starbucks, we've done that. Disney, we've done that. Walmart, I don't know if we've done Walmart. Can y'all go off the wall and do Peloton? Peloton, okay. Let's see, somebody's asking for Peloton. Take-Two, that's another good one. Okay. Take-Two Interactive. This is also not bad. I wouldn't mind. Okay, that's 2 good tickers so far. What other recommendations do you guys have? We've done CRM already. We've I think, well, we haven't done Zscaler. What about we've done DocuSign already, Teladoc we've done, PayPal we've done, Square we've done, Shopify we've done. Damn, we've done a lot of stocks. Oh my goodness. Wait, didn't we cover Chewy? No? I think we did cover Chewy, right? No? Maybe not. There's 25 of you guys here. Come on, guys. You gotta vote. Let me know what you guys think. What do you want me to cover? No, we haven't done Chewy. No, we haven't done Chewy. Peloton's not bad. If you want to cover Peloton, I'm okay with that. Or Take-Two, either one. You guys want to vote real quick? Which one do you guys want? You want Peloton or Take-Two? Or there's also Chewy. We've done Palantir already. We did Palantir just, a couple weeks back. Just maybe 3 weeks ago. Here it is. Take-Two. Come on, guys, you gotta vote. Please. In the meantime, I'm going to do this right now. KWeb is an ETF. I mean, I could go through that, but it's only going to be, I can do KWeb like on its own on a Monday stream or something, but we still got to need a ticker to cover for the week. It's an ETF, so we can't value it. Give me something that we can value. Pre-market movers here. Let's see. Inovio down 30%. Damn. SIFI. What's SIFI? SIFY. Is this a Chinese stock? Too small market cap. Too small. We need 10 billion and above. Peloton's okay. Peloton has a 29 billion market cap. This one's okay. 500 million market cap is too small, bro. We need a higher market cap to justify the cash flows. We could value Peloton. I haven't done this before. Huge head and shoulders here on the 4 hour. Facebook, I think we've done Facebook, but it was a long time ago. Nike. We've done Nike before as well, I believe. Haven't we? Yep, we've done Nike before. Right here. AT&T. That's okay. We could do AT&T. You guys want to do AT&T? We have a couple of options now. Peloton, Take-Two, or AT&T. Go. Vote now. Vote now. Out of these three. Skills up 6%. Sundial growers. What's up on the S&P 500? Nothing much moving here. Dow Jones. Okay. We have one Piton, Take-Two, Piton. Okay. So far, Piton in the lead. Naked Brand, whatever this is up 16%. Oh, it's a really small share price. Never mind. And Skechers are up 6%. Boston Beer up 8% almost. Another vote for Peloton. Okay. Guys, can I get all of you to just vote for one ticker, please? There's enough of you to make a vote. And while you're at it, hit the like button. I'm late. Haha, I'm listening to the past. No worries. Just vote between Peloton, Take-Two, or AT&T. Pinterest, okay. Peloton, okay. Damn, no business today. What's up, guys? By the way, treasury rates are stabilizing here, 1.57. We'll see if we get a spike up again on this dip. And let's have a look at the insider trades here for the past couple of days. I think we left off the 19th, so let's go back on the 20th here. BlackRock, senior managing director, got rid of 40% of his shares. And then we have a CFO of whatever the company this is. Nike director selling off 59% of his shares. Not a lot though. And Zoom CEO selling 100% of his shares. What in the world? Huh. Interesting. That's $30 million worth. Why? Interesting. Very interesting. I think he must have hit his bonus and said, I'm out. This is on a very strong downtrend now. Zoom is on a strong downtrend. We could also do Zoom. We haven't done Zoom before. I don't think so. Yeah, that's a good point. He could be tax harvesting. That's a very good point. Probably his shares in the loss. I think we should be seeing a lot of insiders start selling their shares, by the way. Charles Schwab, chairman. Dude, this guy has 119 million shares of the business. My goodness, man. He sold 220,000 for 14 million, and this guy still has like a lot of shares. Wow. Charles Schwab selling some of his shares. Yep, more right here. Another 19 million. This guy's cashing out. Mark Zuckerberg selling more of his shares. What is Zuckerberg buying with his money, man? Sheesh. I think we should. I think the next couple of weeks you're going to see this this list populate a lot, because a lot of people are going to get rid of their shares ahead of the capital gains tax if there is announcements, further announcements. Okay. All right. I see that there's pretty much a very close vote here. It's either AT&T or Peloton. So which one do you guys want to do? I need a definitive answer. If not, I'm just gonna pick one. Personally, if it's between AT&T and Peloton, I'm gonna do AT&T because it has more history. And it's a more respected business, I guess, you know, longer term. All right, let's do AT&T then. We shall do AT&T. Okay, well, thanks for that. This is trading in a very, very big sideways channel. And I guess the only benefit of valuing this business and looking at it would be what its future projections, acquisitions on the line, potential mergers, buyouts. It has a very strong dividend that it pays, by the way, this company. And maybe I can do a little bit of a dividend analysis on it as well. That might be something that you guys might be interested in. Apart from that, not much else here. Let's look at the S&P 500 technical update real quick. Okay, so as I was telling you earlier, on the 4-hour here, looks like we are starting to form a pennant of some kind, but if we break below this, it's going to be a technical breakout to the downside, so might not be a pennant after all. We'll see, and you know, we'll try to definitely make sense of this once it happens. I think today is setting up to be a possible another red day, but we'll see. It's too hard to tell at this point. If anything, there's a possibility to be rejected right here, and then a quick buy up again to the upside, and then a quick trade down again, and a quick buy up again, and then ultimately a move down. That also can possibly happen. So keep your eyes peeled out for that. This is a very, very, very possible kind of a move down here. Okay. Let's have a look at gold. Gold still kind of trading above the channel here. We'll see if we can continue to consolidate. I haven't taken a gold position yet because it kind of moved back into the channel yesterday, and then I didn't see the opportunity present itself yet. When I do take this trade, I'll let you guys know. But I think today it's up again, 0.6%. We'll see if it continues to do that. And yeah. All right then. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you guys back on Monday here with AT&T. And keep you guys updated on what I'm looking at. In the meantime, I will see the rest of the team on the Discord. And we shall possibly have a good trading day, guys. Have a good weekend and take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.